What is the fastest bird in the world? Peregrine falcon. It can dive at speeds of over 386 kilometers per hour. Which bird is a symbol of peace? Dove. Doves have been used as symbols of peace for centuries. What is the only bird that can fly backward? Hummingbird. Their wings move in a figure-8 pattern. What bird is often called the king of the sky? Eagle. Eagles have super sharp eyesight and can spot prey from miles away. Which bird is known for its beautiful dance to attract a mate? Peacock. A male peacock's feathers can be up to 6 feet long. Which bird is known for its loud drumming sound on trees? Woodpecker. A woodpecker can peck up to 20 times per second. What bird can rotate its head almost all the way around? Owl. Some owls can turn their heads 270 degrees. What bird is known as the laughing bird? Kookaburra. Kookaburras have a call that sounds like laughter. Which bird is famous for stealing shiny objects? Magpie. Magpies are attracted to bright and shiny things. Which bird can sleep while flying? Swift. Some swifts can stay in the air for months without landing. What bird has the longest wingspan? Wandering albatross. Its wingspan can reach up to 12 feet. Which bird is known for its excellent night vision? Owl. Owls can see in the dark 100 times better than humans. Thank you for playing with us. Do like, share and subscribe for more such fun videos. Bye.